So, guys, let's start our journey to learn about Code Java by the way of in this tutorial. So, friends, so by the way of these Eclipse software, we want to use to learn Java, Code Java. So, by the way of this, so how we want to create a file. How we want to create a project means here the process. So, click on the file. After then, click on the new. After that, here we go to see Java project. After that, clicking of the Java project, give or mention your project name, what you want to do. So I want to give like basics Java. So like that. Sorry for this opening. So basics Java. So after that, next simply uh, or otherwise you want to give Java dot com. Here we go to see after that the finishing. I want to create three projects to do. So sorry for this. So I want to create a three projects to do. So I want to creating this Java. So after that creating this Java, here the appearing the arrow mark like a greater than arrow mark. So click here. After that click here. Here we go to see module in of info.java. Click here. So after that clicking that, we want to know about, we want to learn easily by the way of this page. So first of all guys, we want to know about what is Java. So Java is one of the object oriented programming language. So briefly you want to see here briefly Java is a one of the programming language. Java is a one of the programming language, and Java is a high level high level class based high level class based object oriented programming language. So after that that is uh, that is designed to have to have a to have as a few implementation dependencies dependencies as possible. Note down this point. So it was originally developed by Sun Microsystems, which has since been acquired by Oracle Corporation. So this is the main. Uh, After that, we want to know about key features about this. Uh, First one, object oriented. So why are you saying object oriented? What is the meaning of object oriented? So you want to know about clear. So object oriented is nothing but everything in Java is treated as an object, which makes it easier to model real world scenarios means in Telugu సన్నివేశాలు scenarios. So after that number 2 in key features, platform independent. So what is the platform independent in Java? so you don't worry to confuse yourself. So here we go to the full information of about this platform independent Java applications are compiled. Java applications are compiled into bytecode that can be run on any device. Understand carefully, any device equipped with a Java virtual machine. So this is the way. So after that, in these key features, we want to know robust and secure. So what is the meaning of robust secure means? Here we go to see the full information. Java includes strong memory management, exception handlings. So you don't want to worry about this. What is the matter? Whatever it in the upcoming videos, in upcoming topics, we want to know about clear cut with each and every code. So you don't want to worry about this. So handlings and security features to make applications reliable and safe. So this is the main three key points for Java. So after that, move to is the main key points. So multi-threading is a main key point for this multi-thread. So what is the meaning of multi-thread means? Java supports multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading, allowing concurrent execution of two or more threads for maximum utilization of CPU. CPU means central processing unit. You already know about that. So last but not least, it is the fifth point to know about these key features in Java. So rich API. So what is the rich API means? So Java provides a large standard library that supports everything from data structures and algorithms to networking GUI development. GUI means a graphical user interface. Sorry for that, graphical user interface. So this is the GUI. After that, and move. So this is the main key points, key features for Java. So after this completion of Java and Java key features, so we want to move to learn Java coding. So let me start by letting let me start. So friends, here we go to see first of all basic structure of a Java program. We want to see basic structure of a Java program. So basic structure of a Java program. So first you want to Understand carefully what I am giving in this page. The code will be explained in each and every bit as like a units. So you don't want to confuse yourself. First of all, concentrate on the code. So after that, I will explain each and every little bit of code to understand very easily. So after that, I want to give like public. Next, I want to give like a class. So I want to give like here we go to see. I want to give like first a public and a class. After that, hello world. Hello world. After that, open the curly braces. So curly braces are main point for create a code in Java. So after that, click enter. So public class hello world. After that, I want to give like a public static void main. So this is the main line to give any of the code in Java. So after that, open parenthesis, give string with square brackets and args. Args is nothing but arguments. So after that, I want to give here one of the curly brace. Here, not here. I want to give here. After that, uh, this is the main point to understand. System dot out dot println. It is a print function to use in every code, every concepts of code in Java. So after that, I want to give like hello, some of the space and world with square double quotes with open parenthesis, close the parenthesis. After that, completion of these main two lines. So after that, when we are using print in console print function, like use like this system dot println. So in Python we have to already learn about Python in previous videos. So we want to print like after the indentation completion of indentation symbol, we want to move to know about to print by using print function. So after that, in this Java, we want to use print function like system.out.println. After that completion of print function, we need to end with a semicolon. So it is the main point to end with semicolon. After that, closed parenthesis. So, so first of all, we want to explain each and every code. So here we go to see public class hello world. Public class hello world. It's define a class named hello world. So it's define a class. What is the class named hello world? So this is the first line of explanation. After that, here we go to see second line of the explanation. So public static void main open parenthesis with closed parenthesis string square brackets args with open curly brace. So what is this means? Main method, which is the entry point of the program. It is the main method when we are entry point of the program. So after that, here we go to see in third line system.out.println open parenthesis with double quotes hello comma world with factorial and a semicolon. Closed parenthesis will be ended with a semicolon. So these third line indicates to show. So prints, it is the place of console. It is named as these third line space will be named as like console. So this is the print functions to use. So this is the way to know first basic program of the Java. So here we go to see next method. This is a very main important to learn. So variables and data types. Variables and data types. So in these variables and data types, friends, variables is nothing but here we go to see some of the explanation. In Java, a variable is a container that holds data that can be changed during the execution of a program. So this is the way. So after that, in these data types, Java considers they are classified two types of data types. First one, primitive data types. Second one, non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. So this is the way. So after that, by the way of this using data types, we want to know in Java code. So same as like use public class variable. Already I am explain about this first line. So here we go to see variables example. So in every completion of word, first of all we want to use the first letter will be as like a capital letter. So after that variables completed, after that I am starts to use a capital letter like example. Okay friends, are you clear? Okay, example with space curly brace. So after that I want to give like a public static void main. Note down this point, it is mandatory point, it is constant. Just this second line of the code will be just print on your mind. That's it. So after that string, this is the main method to use each and every code. So after that this main method I want to use like int means nothing but integers. After that I want to explain each and every point, so don't want to confuse yourself. Int I want to give int. After that I want to give number my number equal operator with assigning value 5. After that close with semicolon. So enter. So after this enter, so what is this means? It is a whole number. Are you clear everyone? It is a whole number. So after this I want to give one of the data type is called as a float as like same my float number equals to 5, assigning values 5.99 So why we are calling float number means integers will be presented. Integer presence is like a one of the whole number without any decimal point. That is an integer, it is also called as whole number. So in this float, after the entering integer whole number, they considered with the decimal point and they travels to increase more numbers. So this is called as float. So after that I want to, so here we go to see one of the comment, it is a float. So after that I want to give in this data types, third one is a character. So character keyword I want to give like this a char. So after that my letter. So characters means already you know about that. So what is your name? So my name is Charan. So this Charan name will be considered as follows: a sequence of characters by the way of alphabetical manner. So that is the character. So here we go to see. I want to give some of the character like C with single quotes. So after that entered. So this is the character. So here we go to see. I want to give like a comment. So in every programming language, by the way of using hashtag, we want to give text by using characters or anything. So after that, we want to know about boolean. So boolean is nothing but, I want to say about this, don't confuse yourself. Boolean is nothing but first equal operator using true with end of semicolon. So string my text with quotes hello hello ending with semicolon. I mean, I here when we are entered text, we want to give double quotes. So after that, in this boolean, either boolean consists when we are consisting a sum of the code. It is you want to understand what is this boolean. In after going this topic, after coming new topics, you want to clear what is this boolean. So it considers to show true or false, true or false. So this is the way of boolean. So after that, this is called as string. String is a collection of the characters. So that's the way. This is the all data types in variables and data types in Java. So after that, now we want to move to know about control statements. So in these control statements, what is data types, what is boolean, so what is whatever it. So you want to know clear and understand. So I want to give a public class. So first of all, in these control statements, they are classified several types. First one, if statement. Second one, switch statement. Third one, loops. Fourth one, while loop. Fifth one, arrays. So this is the way to know about these total 5 subtopics in these control statements. So first we want to know about if statement. So what is the if? So here we go to see uh, whenever the, so you understand in code manner. So I want to give like this, public class if. If means true, if means true, else means false. So note down this, if means true, else means false. So after that, if I want to give like else, if else example. After this, open curly brace and enter. So public static void, and it is the main method to use in Java. So after that, so here we go to see, I want to give like some of the int is a keyword of integer. So I want to, I am already explained about variables and data types. So by the variables and data types, by the using of variables and data types, we want to know about these control flow statements. So control flow statements. So int is a integer. So x is a variable. X is a variable. Equal is a operator. Don't confuse yourself. After don't confuse, sorry for the disturbance. uh, don't confuse yourself. After this topic we want to explain each and every operators in Python. So sorry for that, each and every operators in Java, code Java. So after that, here we go to see x is equals to, x is a variable, equal is the operator, and 10 is the assigning value. After closed with semicolon, you can enter. So after that we want to use if statement, like use if and open parenthesis variable x greater than variable x greater than 20. So variable is greater than 20 or not, what is the way? So we see in the code manner. So after that we want to print in console's place. What is the print method? System dot out dot print ln is a main printing method in console's place. So after that here we go to see we using parentheses with double quotes. X is a greater than x is a greater than 20. Okay, are you clear now? After that each and every code line after the using main method, after the completion of this main method, each and every code contains to ends with semicolon. Each and every line code contains with semicolon to end. So after that ended this so double quotes are here, so I want to enter here. So after this it's very clear to see system system.out.println. So here we go to see guys in the sixth code line. In the sixth code line, after the printing of this is the printing method by using if statement. So second one is else. So either else, in this else what we are see here, so just print statement print.ln. Sorry for print.ln, just print ln. This is the print method in Java. So after that x is a greater than or equals greater than or equal greater than or equal to 20, then ends with semicolon. So after this end, so here we go to see guys, here a clear explanation of for this code. So if statement will be fully filled with x variable and assigned value, so x doesn't greater than 20. So this is the condition of if statement. So here we go to see what we are printing in console place. System.out.println is a main method to use. After that x is greater than 20, so it's wrong. So x is greater than 20, it's absolutely true, that is not wrong. So this condition will be true, this condition will be true. Otherwise 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 after the here we go to see x is a greater than 20 is absolutely true. So now we want to change our printing method less than 20. So x is less than 20, x is less than 20, is that true or false? It is true, x is less than 20, but x doesn't greater than 20. So what is the x? You don't confuse yourself. I am confusing in this way, so you don't confusing yourself, concentrate correct. So if you got doubt, so what's the hell, what he is saying, x is greater than 20? No, it's false. So x is less than 20, so that's the way. So this statement will be false. So after that completion of these statements enters into else statement. These else statements will be checks to clarify the condition of the if statement to declare a one of the solution in output. This is the if and else statements by using in Java. So after that we want to know about switch statement. Switch statement. In this switch statement, so easy using public class switch example with open curly brace. After that use a main method public static void main string args by using this space args and open curly brace. After this enter. So I want to explain about switch statement in this way. After the completion of public class switch example and public static void main. So here we go to see guys. First of all I want to give integer like int and day example equal to 4. So after that I want to use switch statement. Switch open parenthesis closed parenthesis day. So I'm here forgot to use semicolon. After that open curly brace. Here we go to see in this switch statement case 1. Why you are using case 1? So don't confuse yourself. I want to explain each and every code after the completion of this code. So case 1. After that system dot out dot print ln. So here the open parenthesis double quotes Monday with semicolon. So after that here we go to give break. After that as like same sequential manner. So in this case okay I will explain after that completion of code. So next system dot out dot print ln with double quotes Tuesday, then break the statement. After that here we go to see case 3. In this case 3 system dot again use print function in console place print ln after give Wednesday. So after that use break. After we want to give like case 4 and statement sysout statement. This is also called as sysout statement in Java. Wednesday, Thursday. So we have to give break this statement. After that last but not least case 5. Then give sysout statement here. After the Thursday, what is the day? Friday. So here sorry for this indentation symbol. Colon symbol in the Python is called as indentation. In the Java is called as colon. Only colon. After that, so after this completion of cases, we want to give one of the default case. So don't worry about this. I will explain each and every line of code after the completion of this code, and after using a sysout statement is nothing but weekend. I don't want to give like Saturday, so I want to give like this. So after that guys, here we go to see after this completion of code, these code this belongs to know about switch statement. So here we go to see first the line is switch statement. After that third line will be explore to say about the main method by using third fourth line public static void main strings args. So here we go to see in fifth line int is a integer and day I want to take one of the like a day. So you want to take as like a month, you want to take here month and here print January, February, March, April. So you want to give in your easiest examples to know about this switch statement. You want to continue that process. So after that I am giving day and equals to assigning a value for. After that switch day, so I am giving this condition by using switch statement. So after that these switch statements, so what is the meaning of switch? Switch is nothing but by using of these cases, whenever the condition is perfect, then this stops at the point of the case. What the case about that? When we are condition is satisfied, that case will be satisfied. After that the switch statement code, running code, is stopped to execute to get output. So this is the using of cases. So here we go to see I am giving switch day 4 in this case one. This condition is doesn't satisfied. Then whatever after that the completion of doesn't satisfy this code, so they are directly entered into case 2. So here also not satisfied and after case 3. So here also not satisfied after case 4. So here the satisfied. So after that here the satisfied. So what is the case number 4? Thursday, day 4, Thursday. Here the satisfied. After this satisfied the switch statement by the way of the given condition. So then they executes. Here we go to see in the output that int day equal to 4 in Thursday. So they execute to show output. So this is the way. So after that coming of the start to know about the default statements in switcher. Given condition is doesn't satisfied in case 1, case 2 and case 3, case 4, case 5. So what can they do? So they does not satisfy the given condition by the using of switch statement. So they can't understand in their presented sysout of print ln method what we have to enter that the condition is not satisfied. So after that these are not satisfied manner. So they are breaks each and every break the statements to travels to the next statements. Either the condition is satisfied until the condition is satisfied. So after that they can satisfied in any way. After that they are entered into default sysout statement. So after that enters into the default statement sysout statement. So these statement will be clarifies the given condition. So clarifies the given condition and it executes to know in output. So because they are not satisfied condition, so after that satisfied condition the cases will be executes. So there doesn't satisfied conditions, they doesn't executes, they are entered into default statements and after that to get output. So this is the main program and main method to know about switch statement. So after that we are entering into powerful concept is loops. So in these loops, first of all first of all we have to see first one for loop. So as like print public class same as like and main method. Here we go to say public class main method like a for loop example. After that example, sorry for this. After same entered main method, don't forget this is a main method to execute each and every code in Java. So after that enter. So here we go to see for loop. For is a keyword to initialize the for loop. So after that open the parenthesis. I want to give int. After that give some of the space. Int is a keyword of the integer, and it is also denoted as like I is an integer using equal operator and value, assigning a value with a semicolon, and after give some gap. So I less than or greater than, you want to give in your way. I want to give less than and assigning a value 5 and semicolon. So after that then I plus means is nothing but it is a, here we go to see I plus plus is nothing but it is an increment. Otherwise I minus minus is nothing but it is an decrement. Understand carefully. So this is the I plus plus or I minus minus. So after that completion of this, close with curly brace, sorry, open with curly brace. So now use sysout statement. Sysout print ln. So print what is we are given about in for I. So after that end with semicolon. So by the way of these friends, here we go to see to explain each and every little bit character code in this for loop. For is a keyword of for, so and integer with I equal to 0. So it is a initialization method. So in this int I equal to 0 is called initialization method. So after that this initialization, so here we go to see I equal to 0 is called as initialization. After that second I less than 5 equals is condition. After that I plus plus is called as increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. So this is the way to initialize, to give code in our page by using Java. So this is the main method to use a for loop in Java. So that's it friends, this is the for loop. So next here we go to say next one, second one is nothing but while loop. By containing this same for loop, we want to know about another topic for a subtopic in this loops is called as while loop. So while loop means the same exactly we have to know in code. After that we are clear able to understand. So in the same way I want to give like this public class while loop example with curly brace, open curly brace. After that public, sorry for the disturbance guys, understand carefully, concentrate on my words. So concentrate on this tutorial on screen. So after that public static void main is a main method to use in Java. So after that using after that open curly brace. So by the way of this I want to giving same like int I equals to 0. After end with semicolon, 16th line ended with semicolon. So now using while is a keyword for while. So here we go to see after the while give parenthesis I greater than 5, then open the curly brace. I want to enter like this. So after that using sysout statements, it is nothing but also a print statement in Java. So I want to give like this and ended with semicolon. So here we go to see I want to give I plus plus, it is an increment. It denotes as like increment. So after that ended with semicolon. So here we go to see explanation for this code. Same int I is equals to, I want to giving one of the variable int I and equal operator, using equal operator assigning a value ended with semicolon. So after this, while using while open parenthesis closure parenthesis, I want to giving a like one of the condition. So I less than 5 or not. So here we go to see sys out statement printing I 0. What is the I value? 0. So why these why we are giving this I plus plus? So don't confuse yourself by the way of this. But here we go to see the condition is false. I less than 5. The condition is false or true? Is true or false? So here we go to say I equals to 0, I less than 5. So here we go to see the condition is true. So because of, so don't confuse yourself. Just in this way, in this incremented, decremented, less than, greater than way, we confuse more. What is greater than? What is less than? Oh, so I confused. My code gonna be wrong. I got it a syntax error. I got it a basics error. I got it a condition error. So that's the way. The errors is the most perfect thing in coding. So without any errors, we are the leaders in this code. So 0 less than 5, the condition is satisfied. So here we go to see sysout statement. After the giving the sysout statement, why we are giving this I plus plus means this is an increment is nothing but, so I have to give like this. I want to start it like 0. So here we go to see hashtag with hashtag 0. After that giving this 0. So incremented means they are going to start like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we go to see. So this is the way to increment the given assigned value by using this increment decrement. So when they are stopped, so these condition is true by the using of this self statement. So we want to know about now the condition is false. So how the condition is false means, by the way of this int 0, they are entered into I plus plus. So here we go to see this 0 entered into while condition I, they belongs to 1. They belongs to 1. So after this belongs to 1, uh, this sysout statement will be prints I equals to 1. I equals to 1. So after that they are entered into I plus plus. So I is nothing but here 1 plus plus. So after that they again reversing to 0. After that 0, now here we go to see after we get I is equal to 1. So here not as like 0, here is the 1. So after that in the same manner, so I entered into this condition I, so 1, so belongs to 1. So after that printing these 1. So after that here we go to see 1 plus plus means 1 plus 1 means 2. So here we go to see 2. So as like same manner these 2 entered into this place I. So after these entered I, they are entering into sysout statement. After that I equals to 2. After that they get here, this is the 2. After that 2 plus 1 is reversing to 3. After that 4 as like same manner 5. So after 6, so now the condition will be false because of 6 does not less than 5. So this is the way of the use of while statement, a while loop. When the condition is true, we want to know about false. So when the condition is false, we want to know about true. So condition is false. When the condition is false, we want to use decrement. So this is the clear explanation about this while loop. So after that, next topic is nothing but arrays. It is a many, sorry for that, it is a main topic to understand easily. So what is the arrays? Arrays is a collection of characters. Arrays is a sequence of characters. Arrays is a collection of characters, and it is a sequence of the characters. Array is considered a one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, one-dimensional, ten-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array. So and multi-dimensional array. So this is the arrays types. So first we want to know what is the array. So with code, so as like give same public class arrays example with open curly brace and enter public static, same give like as like public static void main. It is a main condition, main method. After that, completion of this main method, open with curly brace. After that, we go to see about arrays. So here we go to see. I'm giving int with open closed square brackets. In the arrays, in the presence of arrays in Java, by using any of the int or float or characters, any of the data types we want to use, after the using of this we must want to open end with open and closed square brackets. So this is the way. So after the completion of int, I want to give like my numbers. After that, equal operator using curly brace, I want to give like pen comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 40. After that, close with curly brace with semicolon. So here we go to see next sysout statement. We want to print sysout statement. So here we go to see my number, sorry for this gap, don't give a gap, won't give a gap. So after that, my number 0. So why you are giving 0 means don't confuse yourself. I will explain each and every code of the completion of this. So after this, guys, here we go to see the output is 10. So how means, here we go to see by the just understand from the starting point and 27th line. So public static arrays example. After that, we want to use main method to use in Java by using arrays. So here we go to see int and with the open square brackets is must and main important to for this. So after that, using my numbers with equal operator uh, with collection of the integers, a collection of the numbers. So after that, using sysout statement, my number 0. So why we are give it 0? So here we go to see in the arrays starting numbers, whenever we entered a numbers, the starting they has like I mean they have to contain and maintains index. Index is nothing but, so here we go to see where the index, I don't want to understanding what is it, whatever it. So index is nothing but, here we go to see these 0, these first elements 10, these in the place of 0. Every index, here we go to see every index or index they starts must they starts must from this 0. After that 0 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3. So 10 is a 0 and 20 is a 1 index 1 and 30 is a index 2 and 40 is a index 3. So these is a indexes in arrays. So after that I want to print in sysau statement my number 0. So that's why this is the output 10. So these are called as arrays in Java. So after the completion of these main topics in Java, so next we want to move to explain to understand about object oriented programming in Java. So what is the meaning of object oriented programming means? I want to already explain. I'm already explaining in the starting video starting. So yes, here we go to see programming language. It's also called as OOPS concept in Java. OOPS in Java. OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming language. So after that, uh, here we go to see they are classified several types. First one, this is a main topic to understand very easily, and it is a main topic in Java. By using of this we can explore anything in Java. So first one, using one, by the subtopic is nothing but classes and objects. Classes and object. So what do you mean by class? So class is nothing but a blueprint for creating objects. This is the class. So what do you mean by objects? So already understand, class is a blueprint for creating objects. So class is the objects blueprint for creating objects. So what is the objects? So object is nothing but an instance of class. Instance of class. So this is the main headlines for this. So after that, here we go to see with code. So same we want to use like public class. I want to take one of the object like car with uh, open curly braces. So here we go to see in these in this in this Java, in Python we want to use comments by using hashtag. So in this Java, by using double slash we can comment on it. So I want to give like comment like this: fields or instances, instance variables. So after that, this is the comment. After that I want to enter like a string. So first of all completion of this code. First of all, look at this code. After the completion of this code, I want to explain each and every code, so don't want to confuse yourself, so be with patience. So after that, string color, string model, then I want to give like int year. So after that, by using comment method. So what is the method means? So void display details, so by using sysout statement, simply you want to give like this sysout dot println. So this is also uh, usageable, so but we want to give like this system dot out dot println with open parenthesis. I want to enter model with colon and with double quotes. So I want to give some gap here. So after that I want to add assignment operator addition. So after that I want to enter model, so close it with semicolon, enter. After that entered in 19 line, same I want to give sysout statement println double quotes color with indent. I mean in this Java it is a colon. It is a colon symbol. After that I want to add assignment operator. After that I want to give my color. After colon. So after that system dot out dot print ln here we go to say year with colon with double quotes let's year. After that semicolon enters. So after this completion of this code, so here we go to say I want to start again with end of the curly braces. So I want to give main class main sorry for this curly brace. This is a main method we want to use. It is a mandatory and it is a constant void main open parenthesis string args means nothing but arguments. So after that enter. So I want to give some of the comment to like this creating an object of the car class. So my car equals to new car with parenthesis. So after that I want to give some of the comment to understand very easily about this code. So assessing fields and methods. So enter this. So after that my car dot color equals to I want to give my car color is red or green etc. Which you want to give. So after that my car dot model equals to. So what do you interested to create your car model? So what do you like to love your car model? Just give. I want to give like a Telsa model 5 if you know that. So Telsa model 5. After that my car dot year is 2024. After that entered with colon semicolon. So after that give some gap and entered like my car dot display details. So enter. So here we go to see guys this is the completion of the total code. So here we go to understand each and every code from starting. So here we go to see the topic is classes and objects. So class is a blueprint for creating objects. Then second one, an instance of a class. What is the object means? An instance of a class. So public is a main word to use and static. Here we go to see the code will be wait. The code will be. So here we go to see guys first of all After that, the instance of class public is a main method to give, and class, what is your object name? My object name is car. So that they are showing these comment lines. Fields or instance variables. So fields and instance variables are like I want to give like string, and what is a string is a collection of characters. That's why I'm using string to give, to design my object with a instance of variables. So after that, color, string, model, and giving integer year. So after that, instances variable of the completion of this. So here we go to see method. So method means void display details. So what we are giving in this 12, 13, 14 line, so that's why this method will be called as a void display details. So after that, I am using sysout statements to design my car, color, year, model. So by using these, why we are using means, after the completion of this sysout statement, here we go to see, after the completion of this sysout statement, by using these open parentheses, by using double quotes, we want to first enter our model with a closed colon and use double quotes. After that, this is an assignment operator. Don't need to worry about these operators. I will explain upcoming concepts. So after this assignment operator, add our model. So as like same way, I want to print it like this, and I want to end it with closed curly braces. So after that closed curly braces, now I want to give a public class main. So what is the public class main means? It is the main method to use to create an object of the car class. So here we go to see car is a my object. So using my object, my car is equals to new car with open closed parenthesis. So after that, ended with this semicolon. So next here we go to see in the 31 line. So I want to give it like accessing fields and methods. So what is the accessing fields and method means? My car dot color is late. What is the accessing fields methods here? I am already, here we go to see, I am already gave it a model and a color here. After that, here the main to print in sysout statements, to main to print this. So my car dot color equals to red. So by the way of giving this, we get our output with our chosen model with color and year. So after that, and year. So after that, my car dot display details. After the completion of these overall code with a suitable, without any errors, after we want to give my car dot details with closed curly braces. So this is the way to print and understand. This is the way to understand in code manner in classes and objects in Java. So that's the way. So after that, second one is a constructors. Second one is constructors. These constructors is nothing but, see here guys, a constructor is a special method that is called when an object is instantiated, it initializes the object. So understand carefully about this. So after that, we go to see in code these constructors. So using as like same. So I want to explain, I want to explaining about this. So I want to directly explain, and I want to write directly. So here we go to see public car and our model with our open curly brace. So enter. So what is the collection of characters is a collection of the sequence of the characters is string using like a variable and giving the characters like color. So after that, so as like giving string like variable using the collection of characters like model. So after that I want to using integer here closed. So now we have to see here constructors constructor. So public car, what is our model car? In main method we want to print here void main. So void main means main method, so we want to print here car and strings with square. Sorry for that, not as like main method, so remove that words in your mind, so just understand here. So after that string model add string color int year and open curly brace. After that, so here we go to say I want to give this model this dot this model equals to model ends with semicolon. This color equals to color. This year equals to year. After that uh, closing with the curly brace. So after that we want to use void display details curly brace system dot out dot print ln model colon plus model ends with semicolon. So as like same print now after the completion of model we want to give here about color. After this completion, after the giving these after this giving we go to see as like previous code in classes and instances. Here we go to see clear understandable way what is about constructors in this in Java in OOPS concept. So after that friends, here we go to see here. Okay, don't worry about for this. So after that simply click on enter. So now I want to close with curly braces. So now I want to print public class main. You already understandable about this. So after that open, this is the main method to use in Java, public static void main string args means arguments. So after that completion of this uh, I want to give my car model. My car model is what? My car model name is car. My model name is car. So after that simply car my car equals to new car. This is an object. This is a class. This is a new object This is a class, and this is an a class. This is a new object. So after that, what my object, what is the name of my object means, you know already. Telsa model. Telsa model is Telsa model is after red and 2024. Okay, we are clear about that. After that, we want to print my car dot display my car dot display details. So after that, ends with curly braces. So here we go to see understand easily about these constructors. So after this entering public class, my model name is car. After that, this string is an like as a variable. So this variable is a collection of the characters. That's why I'm giving the color and the model by using these ended semicolons in fifth, sixth line, and seventh line is indicates to show int is an integer. So by the way of these giving integer, I want to enter these numbers like 2024. So after that, ended with semicolon. By using of these comment lines, we are texted into here. I am texted into here constructor. Constructor is nothing but public. My model name is car. After that, my model name, the string is a one of the variables like a collection of a characters. So I want to give my model, so variable color with in the collection in the way of characters. It is a collection of the characters. So after just I want to give my inputted inted in seventh line here my year. So after that, this dot model equal to model, this dot color equal to color, this dot year equal to year. By the way of these is the main to use these inputted way. So after that, ended with curly brace in 17th line. Here we go to see 19th line void display details. So after this, the completion of my core model, I enter this text by using string variable. We already know about that. String is a collection of the characters. So after that, I want to print like a sysout statements. So sysout statements has like same way in the previous concept is classes and objects. So after that, here we go to see 26th line public class main. So after that, using main method in Java. After these, using main method in Java. So car is a my model name. So here we entering my car is equal operator by using equal to my new car. So my new car is Telsa model S red 2024. So after this, my car display details. So after this completion of code, my card display details will be filled. So this is the way to know about in constructors. So constructor is nothing but once again see here, constructor is nothing but a constructor car is a string model. So here we go to say constructor car is a string model, and string color int year. So these in this constructor, this initializes sorry for that initializes the fields with the given values when a car object is created. So this is the way to understand about constructors. So after that, completion of these constructors in OOPS concept. Now let me see here. The next topic is, it is a very interesting topic. Understand carefully. The topic name is, third one is encapsulation. Encapsulation. So what is this encapsulation means? Encapsulation means Encapsule is the one of the mechanism of wrapping. You already know about this wrapping. What is the meaning of wrapping numbers, wrapping that, wrapping the data, wrapping the data variables, wrapping the data variables and methods code methods together as a single unit, as a single unit. Single unit and it is sorry for using this hashtag. We want to use double slash to note down in these comments. So it is achieved using access modifiers. So this is the main definition for these modifiers. So this is the main definition for this encapsulation. So let me know about this encapsulation about in code. So use as like same public class. My model name is car. So enter. So after that I want to give to is understand easily. I want to give comments by using double slash private fields. After that, so private fields. So I'm simply entering in the 8th line private string. You already know about that. String is one of the variable to understand to understand to initialize the sequence of characters, the car colors in previous videos. Now in this video, sorry for that, now in this previous concept we want to understand about string in this overall one video, string and sequence of characters. Now in this topic we want to understand about this private string color, then closed with semicolon. So after that, private string model. So private int year. So by the way of this, so now using same comments, you understand better than by this code and setter methods. So after that completion of these comment lines, I want to give like public string get color with parentheses. So after that returning color, return color. So after that close it with curly brace. So I want to give like public void set color, open parenthesis string. Sorry for this spelling mistakes. String color. After that this dot color equals to color. This dot color equals to color. So after that same closed. After that use public string get model parenthesis same. So after that return model with semicolon and with curly brace. After that completion of this, after that the public string get model completion of this. Next we want to see here we want to go to see here public void set model here this dot here equals to here. So after that, close it with this void display details So now we have to print sysout statements. Here we go to see system.out.println by using open parenthesis, same as like in the previous concept, same as like use this. After that, assignment symbol addition model ends with semicolon. So same way, so print color. So print color with colon symbol. So after that, add addition symbol. So okay, after that, use as like same system dot out dot print ln. After that, here we go to see year. After that, here ends with colon and give some gap and using assignment operator addition. Then here we go to see give year. After that, year ends with semicolon. So now we want to print main method. So public, it's very easy to understand. Don't think in negativity way. It's so long. What is this? What's the hell? So just understand. Understanding is a matter to get easy code. Static void main string. I want to give like square brackets arcs. Sorry for this. Here we go to see public class main. After that, I want to print main method in this. After this completion, opens curly brace. My car is a model, and my car equals to new car. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and end with semicolon. Enter. After that, just see here, we want to print now my car dot set model. Open parenthesis, my car model name is Telsa model S, and close with semicolon. Same as like same way, my car dot set color. Open parenthesis, color is red, and ends with semicolon. So as like same way, my car dot set year. What is the year means? Without we don't want to use double quotes for these integer numbers, whole numbers. So after that, ends with semicolon. So after that, my car display details. Semicolon, enter. So after that, this is the completion of full code. So let me see about now explanation. So from the starting, so here we go to say public class. Car is an object, so private fields. So the explanation is the fields color, model and year. The fields sorry for that, color, model and year. Color, model and year are private, can be accessed through public getter and setter methods. So easy way to understand here. So here we go to see, I want to give like some comments to understand very easily. The fields color, model, and year are private and can be and can only be accessed through the through the through the public getter and setter methods. So this is the main easy code to easy method, easy definition to understand about this. So after that, next topic, here we go to see about inheritance in Java. So what do you mean by inheritance? So inheritance is nothing but inheritance is a mechanism wherein a new class is derived from an existing class. The derived class inherits all futures from the base of class and can have additional futures. So this is the way to understand inheritance in OOPS concept in Java. So let me see about in code. So very easy code to understand very easily with tips and tricks. So I want to give like class. I want to take in the previous topics, I want to take like a car. So I want to take now like as a vehicle. So vehicle. So after that, open quotes, string brand equals to fraud. So here we go to see, I want to give some of the concept comments. Sorry for that concept. I want to give some concept for 7th line. So here we go to see vehicle, attribute. So after that, so void honk, I want to give like that honk is my method. You also give void main. So after that, sysout dot print ln. After that, open parenthesis with closed parenthesis with double quotes, cute, comma, cute. Understand easily what I'm printing on this. So after that, let's give about car. Car extends vehicle. Car extends vehicle with here with open curly braces. Here we go to see open curly brace. So after that, now we want to use, I want to use string model name. String is a collection of the characters, but I'm using like string is a variable, and string is one of the collection of character. Model name is one of the variable equals to what is that? I want to give like Mustang. I want to give like Mustang. Here we go to see and easily understand about this comment lines about this car attribute. Car attribute. Car attribute. After that, close the curly brace. So here we go to see now main public class uh, public static. It is a main method to use. String args. Let me explore here. After open curly brace, here open curly brace, so enter, click enter. After that, car is my object and my car is in class, sorry for car is an object, my car is in a class. After that, I want to create a new object. So don't worry about this. This is the instance of object and class. So this is an object, car is an object, so my car is an instance of my car object. So after that, I want to creating a new car. So in the code, so easily here we go to see car with open parenthesis, closed parenthesis with the semicolon. So my car dot, what is my car dot honk. Honk means one of the name. You want to give here your you want to give your name like your, you want to give like your chosen name. I want to give like honk. You want to give like any names you want to initialize yourself. So after that, my car dot honk with ended semicolon with parenthesis. So now using system dot out dot println my car dot brand. After that, assignment operator, some double quotes using some of the gap. So after that, assignment operator, so using my car dot model name. After this, end with semicolon. So last ended with closed curly braces. So this is the main code to understand inheritance. So now here we go to see, so what about this, whatever it, what is what. Now understand carefully about this code, what is inheritance by using of this code. So vehicle is a superclass with a method honk as a field brand. It is a brand. Honk is nothing but it is a brand. So here we go to see class is a one of the taken class and vehicle is one of the object name. So string and the collection of characters is fraud. So vehicle attribute is nothing but the branch name is honk. So after that, I want to print it like toot, I mean like toot. So after that, sorry for that, closed curly braces, I want to open and class in 16th line, my object name is car and extend it as a vehicle. Then string model name is Mustang. So car attribute, it is also called as car attribute. So here we go to see public class main. So public static void main string args is a main method to use in Java. So car is an object at the instance of this gap instance of the object, it is a class. So after that, new car, open parenthesis, close the parenthesis with semicolon, my car dot honk is my branch name. After that, system dot println, my car brand name is printed by using of our given code in the previous text. After that, here we go to see car is a subclass that inherits from vehicle and adds a new field model name. So this is the inheritance method in this code. Here we go to see. So car, this car is the subclass. So already here one class will be seen here is vehicle. So this second class will be subclass of the car. Car is the subclass of the uh, vehicle. So this car is a subclass. This inherited. So understand easily when this comment line, car is the subclass that inherits from vehicle and adds fields model name. Understand very easily. So this is the inheritance method in oops concept. That's it, guys. So after that, we want to know about in the next video we want to know about Java class collections framework generics. So after these so it's too late. So the video is, this tutorial is too long, so don't irritate yourself. These videos are too long, so watch completely from the starting. If you don't want to understand, if you won't understand about this tutorial, so understand carefully and watch starting this complete tutorial. Watch on starting, so ended with good energy, with knowledge, power. So thank you for watching this, guys. So until, take care, bye bye. Stay tuned until next coming video part 2. So thank you for watching this, guy. Bye bye.